Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create custom properties here on Hubspot. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Hubspot, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating custom properties in Hubspot is a straightforward process that allows you to tailor your CRM to fit your specific needs and track unique data points relevant to your business. Now, once you are on the Hubspot account, you make sure you are on the CRM, which is going to be on the left side panel of your dashboard, depending on how you set up your Hubspot account. On the CRM, I want you to go to your contacts. Once it's loaded, all right, for example, if this is going to be the contact that you're going to work with, I want you to click on it because from here you have the access to, and as you can see, this is going to be the details for this specific contact. You can have the subscriptions, the website activity, the deals he asked, and the properties, all right? You see it? You can collapse all if you wanted, and these are going to be the deals that he have spent right here. You can have all this information on your disposal. And that's going to be on the about this contact. There's a drop down menu for actions, customize properties, or view all properties. All right. Just wait for it to load. Now here you can manage the properties if you wanted. And as you can see, there's going to be an option that says manage properties if you have it right here. I want you to click on it. These are going to be the information, activities that is associated with the specific contact, right? If you haven't already, I want you to click on the create property, the orange button. And from here, you can select the contact type. Is it going to be for contact, group? That's going to be for contact, life cycle stage properties. You can label as it deep laughs, custom property. And for the description, click on next. It wouldn't take you too long. Select field type. Is it going to be single line, multi-line, phone number? You can choose an option for the single checkbox, multiple checkboxes, drop down, ready select, day picker. But for now, I'm going to be using the single line text. Click on next. And as you can see, you can have all of these options if you wanted. But for now, I'm going to leave it on default, showing forms, pop-up forms, and bots. Once you have done that, as you can see, that's how you create custom properties here on HubSpot. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.